My name is Michelle McMichael, and I'm a medical laboratory scientist at Vitalant. Here at Vitalant, we work collaboratively to provide blood products to patients in need throughout the Northwest, really the entire country. As a medical laboratory scientist, our role is to do the compatibility testing for patients to make sure they can get blood that is safe for them. A typical day as a medical laboratory scientist at Vitalant begins with receiving a patient's sample and then performing compatibility testing to find blood that would be good for the patient. We get to work in the lab with all of the patient samples, and we get to do all the behind-the-scenes testing that the doctors and the nurses need to be able to treat the patients. We're the ones performing that testing, and we get to do a variety of testing, whether it's hematology or blood bank, chemistry, and they're all the pieces to the puzzle about the patient's condition. Blood bank specifically is really a puzzle because you might have to figure out what's causing reactions and finding compatible blood. But as a whole, being a medical laboratory scientist, it's a lot of fun getting to play your role in the patient care. To be a medical laboratory scientist, you have to have a bachelor's degree in a science and then go through a medical laboratory science program. We do have one of those in town, and then Vitalant also offers a one-year internal program to become a medical laboratory scientist. There is a lot of demand for medical laboratory scientists right now. There's a variety of fields you can work in. You can work in chemistry or hematology, microbiology, or in blood bank. And I found that the blood bank portion is the most rewarding for me because you get to see the direct effects, how it goes to help patients. But there is that variety that everybody plays an important role in. In this field, we get to help people so much that you can see the direct impact of what you do, whether it's helping out during a massive transfusion and you were able to provide the blood products so quickly that 40 units later the patient lived, or you have a little baby that needs a blood transfusion, and because you were able to find compatible blood and get it to them quickly, the baby gets a better outcome. We have a lot of patients who have sickle cell anemia or who are oncology patients who, without receiving the blood, would have a worse quality of life. So it's really, I'm very passionate about getting to be part of this world, this system.